Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to tell you about sentence and its type. So let's begin. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that gives complete sense and is grammatically correct. So जैसा कि आपने देखा किसी भी चीज़ को सेंटेंस कहलाने के लिए सबसे पहले उसको एक complete sense of meaning देना ज़रूरी है और इसके साथ साथ it should be grammatically correct. For example, Ali likes to eat mango. इस सेंटेंस में हमारे पास एक कंप्लीट सेंस बन रही है कि अली इज अ बॉय एंड ही लाइक्स टू ईट मैंगो. सलमा इज अ फ्रेंडली गर्ल. In sentence number 2, again, it is giving us a complete sense and it is also grammatically correct. Alright, let's identify syntactic arrangement of words in these sentence. जैसा कि हमने पिछली स्लाइड में डिस्कस किया कि ये सेंटेंस हमें कंप्लीट मीनिंग दे रहे हैं और इसके साथ साथ they should be grammatically correct. Let's find out that what is the grammatical arrangement of words in these sentence. Here is the sentence number 1. Ali likes to eat mango. Here we have Ali, subject, that is noun. Likes is a main verb and mango is object and it is also a noun. So you can see that it is following the regular pattern of sentence, subject, verb and object. Alright, so let's come to the second sentence and that is Salma is a friendly girl. Again, here we have Salma, subject and a noun. Is we have helping verb. And friendly is adjective, girl is object and a noun. So this sentence is grammatically correct and it is a subject, verb and object following the same pattern. Alright. Let's come to the type of sentence and what is a simple sentence. A simple sentence is made up of at least one independent clause. For example, he runs fast. See, this is a simple sentence. It has only one clause. It is giving us a complete sense and it is a simple sentence. Now let's find out what is a compound sentence. A sentence that has at least two independent clauses is called a compound sentence. For example, I like tea, but she likes coffee. See, in this sentence, we have two independent clauses. The first independent clause is I like tea, and the second independent clause is she likes coffee. And as you can see that both of these clauses are connected by but. And here, but is acting like a coordinating conjunction. So, when two independent clauses combine, they form a compound sentence. Let me read one more example for you. In this sentence, two independent clauses are connected by but and form a compound sentence. Here are a few more examples of compound sentences. John likes milk, but his friend likes juice. Again, we have two independent clauses joined by but, a coordinating conjunction. In sentence number 2, it was cold, so I put on my jacket. It was cold, I put on my jacket. ये हमारे पास दो complete independent clauses हैं. It was cold is a separate clause. ये अलग से भी अपनी sense दे रहे हैं. They are independent. And I put on my jacket ये भी एक बिल्कुल ऐसा सेंटेंस है जिसको अपने मीनिंग के लिए ये किसी और सेंटेंस पे डिपेंड नहीं करता. बट कंपाउंड सेंटेंस ने क्या किया? इट कनेक्टेड बोथ ऑफ दीज सेंटेंसेस विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन एंड दैट इज सो. चलें नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस पे आते हैं. आई वेंट टू माई फ्रेंड्स हाउस एंड वी प्लेड क्रिकेट. लेट मी रीड इट इन डिटेल फॉर यू. आई वेंट टू माई फ्रेंड्स हाउस इज सेंटेंस नंबर 1. We played cricket is sentence number 2, and here you can see that again both of these sentences are connected by a coordinating conjunction and that is and. Alright, So let me introduce you what are fanboys. It is an acronym to memorize coordinating conjunction. For instance, there are few coordinating conjunctions that are used to form compound sentences. Two independent clauses are joined by coordinating conjunction, and those are fanboys. Let's explore what are fanboys, what are these coordinating conjunctions, and how to memorize them easily. So, ये कोई इतना मुश्किल काम नहीं है. Just remember fanboys and let's find out what they stand for. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Let's find out how these coordinating conjunctions are helping us form a We waited for him, for he brought gifts for us. These two independent clauses are again joined by a coordinating conjunction and it is for. Let's come to the next sentence. I went to the mall and I met my friend. अगर आप इस सेंटेंस में से एंड को हटा दें और फुल स्टॉप लगा दें तो भी ये दोनों सेंटेंस ग्रामेटिकली भी बिल्कुल करेक्ट हैं और दोनों अपनी जगह कंप्लीट सेंस दे रहे हैं. सो दे आर इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस, लेकिन यहाँ पे कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन ने इन दोनों सेंटेंसेस को कंबाइन कर दिया है. सो इन दिस केस दे आर कंपाउंड सेंटेंस. Neither Sarah likes tea nor her mother likes tea. In this sentence, again two independent clauses are joined by a coordinating conjunction. John likes to cook, but no one allows him. See, again in this sentence, two independent clauses are joined by a coordinating conjunction and that is but. Are you coming to the trip or should I cancel your ticket? Or in this sentence, we have or acting as in coordinating conjunction. It was raining outside, yet the weather was very pleasant. In this sentence, again, the same pattern has been followed. Two independent clauses are joined by a coordinating conjunction and that is yet. My little brother is very careless, so I take care of him. Again, the same pattern is followed. Now I want you to look at all these words in red color. अब यहाँ पे आपको आइडिया हो रहा होगा FANBOYS fanboys का किस तरह से इन कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस ने हेल्प किया है कंपाउंड सेंटेंस को फॉर्म करने के लिए and how you can memorize the most used coordinating conjunction while forming compound sentences. Alright guys, it's a wrap up. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more learning videos and do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.